I'm Jon Nehring, Mayor of the City of Marysville, and I've been advocating for United Way for 3 years.
I'm Jim. I am Site Business Manager for Agilent Technologies in Everett. I have been giving to United Way for close to 35 years, volunteering with United Way for 22 years, and advocating with United Way for 5 years.
Advocacy, with United Way has really, I think, shown some of the needs in our community, certainly here in Marysville and also in all of Snohomish County, and it's also pointed the way towards potential solutions to those needs. And for me in my position, and as just a citizen, that's important, to know the need, but also to have an avenue to provide a solution and strengthen the community as a whole.
Advocacy, I think, is a responsibility for all of us in the community, and United Way, I think, really helps amplify the voice that we have as a community.
It's very intentional, and it's very directed at specific needs in a community and how those needs can be met.
Lobby Day is a good example of that. When all the United Ways can get together and go down with one voice to our legislators down in Olympia, that's much more powerful than one person going down. We had the opportunity to participate with Lobby Days starting a couple years ago. Was the first time I went with my daughter. I think we did have a real direct impact on our legislative agenda. Especially in the early childhood initiative that we went down. We saw, I think, several bills pass as a direct result of our Lobby Day efforts.
For me, advocacy is pleading the case for a cause or a group of people or an individual that has a real need.
I think for the business community, having a strong voice through United Way and the advocacy work really benefits our community.
And if you're looking for a way to make the community that you live in better, advocating for United Way is a very real way to do that, very intentional way to do that, and a way to affect an awful lot of people for the positive.
All kinds of people can advocate. We had all sorts of volunteers come down for Lobby Day, so really anyone can come down, and it's a lot of fun.
Advocating for United Way is a great way to strengthen your community. So when you're advocating for United Way, you're really advocating for changing your community for the better, meeting needs of individuals and groups within your community that really need the help.